Morning guys, November 25th, 2025. I got a call from a guy that used to work on my truck. He's got a problem at his house. He's got no heat on the first floor. I have changed he's got an old boiler there. An old power pile generator boiler with a J control. I have changed that control, I believe, on that boiler. It's a real old boiler, and it got zone valves there. I think it might be a zone valve that's a problem on the first floor. It says you got heat on the second, but nothing on the first. So we'll go there and check it. And he told me to change both zone valves if they're bad, if one's bad. I said, I'll just change the one that's bad. Why would you change something that's still good? I'm only down the street, you know. I mean, I'm only a phone call away, so I'll go by there and see if that's what the case is. Might be a bad circulator. Let's look into the zone valve first. I believe he's got 3 zone valves there. One in the basement he's not using, and then first and second. Probably the zone valve. The end switch on the zone valve is not kicking the boiler in. Most likely. We'll figure it out when I get there. Sounds like that circulator. It's up in red hot. I don't know if these are... I got the first floor one turned up. I don't know which is first. This has got to be first here. I'm not sure. I just turned it up. I don't know. Don't seem to be opening for some reason. We'll see if this is the first or second. That one's definitely calling. Yeah, so this is the first floor one. $25. That's pulled down. Don't seem to be getting hot. It should be off now. Yeah. It's off. Sometimes that doesn't open all the way. Put a new one on there and try it. Bottom one there. Let's see what happens there now. Turn it on and see what happens. don't know if you can see in there, but the wires are all cooked on the circulator, so I got to change that. I do have it off, and I got it draining. I should be able to just I did have to tighten these bolts up. I should be able to just unbolt it and take it out. He's a little cookie. I wonder when the last time I changed this. Circulator's cooked. I should be able to just back it right out. I got the thing draining. It's easier just to back it out. Just changed the motor part. I got it draining. Thing's red hot. You can reuse that gasket, that's not a problem. I don't like the idea that thing was all cooked, all the wiring. Wiring harness was cooked, you know, I don't like that. There is a gasket in there. If that gasket falls out, I got the new one I could put in there, but that one seems to be okay. I don't always change the gaskets. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depends how I'm feeling. The old used to be screwdriver slots. This has got, I did shut the power off to this thing. So all the zone valves are off, and there's a high vent. So when I fill it, I should be able to get all the air out the high vent. I got the white to white. Did sound like the motor was running, but not circulating like it should. And then the black to the yellow. See all the wires in there, how they're all burnt. Not good. Shut this off. I got all these off. I got a high vent here. I should be able to fill it and bleed it through the high vent. I got it off here yet. So I should fill and bleed through this high vent and through that high vent. I can hear it bleeding. It's bleeding out the top there. I'm filling it back up. It should be all purged because I had them three off. Alright, so it should be ready to go here. I'll turn it on. It should be ready to go. Alright, so replace his own head in the circulator. Alright, there it goes. That's first floor. It's calling. Give it a minute and see what happens. Make sure it comes back warm. I definitely could hear it running now. Yeah, it's going to take a little while to heat up now because it's full of cold water. He's running. It's going to take a little bit to heat up. Split loop here. This is first and second and second. I come into a split loop on the return. I know they're coming back warm. I could feel them. I already did purge it, so I did both first and second purge before. I mean, this thing's an old flipping beast, guy, but he's a cheapie. Oh, it's working now. It's coming up to speed. It's heating up. He's heating up. An old boiler, man. I did put the date on the circulator. So I put a new zone head on the first floor and a new circulator. I mean, it's just easy just to change it like that. I ran the second floor. The second floor one's coming back nice and hot too, so both zones are working now. Alright, new zone head on first, new circulator on boiler, both first and second coming back hot.